Wherever you are, I hope you're doing well. Natural disasters on a event channel, welcome. Terrible wind storm hits England. Wind ejects people very far. Britain has been subjected to some of the most devastating storms in its history, unleashing chaos and claiming lives. In response to the alarming threat posed by Storm Eunice, Downing Street quickly called an emergency response committee meeting.
Oh, no, we didn't like that. Oh, come on. Oh.
Ministers gathered in Whitehall this afternoon, spurred on by dire warnings issued to the public about the potential dangers associated with Storm Eunice. With wind speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, the relentless onslaught has battered the nation, causing widespread disruption to transportation, commerce, and educational institutions. In addition, hundreds of homes were left without electricity.
Oh my God, moms!
Aware of the gravity of the situation, the armed forces have been placed on high alert, ready to provide assistance if needed. Citizens have been strongly advised to stay indoors and refrain from all non-essential travel in order to preserve their lives. The weather agency has warned that the frequency of severe thunderstorms is expected to increase in coming years. Currently, Storm Eunice is looming as a potential disaster, likely to surpass any other storm seen in a generation. With winds reaching a staggering 122 miles per hour on the Isle of Wight, its ferocity matches wind speeds rated Category 3 on the hurricane wind scale. This poses an immense threat to the structural integrity of small buildings, and puts people residing in low-lying areas at serious risk of coastal flooding. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.